is spectacular.
Oh, look, their cute little dog.
Hello.
How you guys doing?
Good, how are you?
Hey, guys.
Hello.
How you doing? Oh, hi.
How's it
Good to see you.
going? Say hi.
This is a fantastic location for your first house. Any house, really, but
All right.
newlyweds,
Yes.
almost.
Soon to be.
Soon to be. Okay, so you guys have set aside about 100,000.
Yeah,
So what do you think?
There's a lot we could change about it. Let's just
Okay.
say that.
Okay, so the plan is a new roof, we'll paint the brick, center up the front door, and we'll create a front porch for you, and then add in new, beautiful landscaping. Fun, okay.
Let's go inside. Are you coming in too, River?
Come on. River, come on, girlie.
Welcome in.
Our home.
Oh, I love it. This is
Yeah,
great.
it's nice.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, so this is the living room?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the plan is replace these floors with some light hardwoods. We're gonna move the front door. And then we're also gonna open this wall up so we'll have a bigger cased opening into the kitchen. And we'll paint and get some new lighting to really brighten things up in here so it's not such a cave.
Yes, be awesome.
Let's go, talk about the kitchen.
I don't personally like the cabinets or the counter.
I think we need to figure out a way to put some pantry space in here, cabinet space, an island for cooking. Of course, get new countertops and new light fixtures, and we'll just make this a nice space where you can entertain. Because that's what you're doing a lot right now.
Right.
Okay?
Oh, this is nice, you guys.
Yeah, but this is the bathroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, it's teeny.
It is tiny. Holy cow.
You do not want to start off your marriage sharing a teeny tiny bathroom. I can tell you that right now.
No, the conversations aren't gonna end well. I can tell you that.
Yeah. We got to figure out where to steal space from.
This right here is the kitchen.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I don't know the answer to that yet.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll figure it out. All right, in your bedroom, we're gonna keep the flooring as it is because it's in good shape. We'll potentially paint, and then the big question mark is how to make this bathroom bigger, and that is gonna be our challenge. It's a great yard.
Yes, we
Big yard.
we love it, but we don't have enough money to do the backyard right now. We
Yeah.
really want to focus our money inside.
And this is a big deal. This is your first house.
We're so excited. We're so appreciative of you guys.
Oh, well,
Yes, thank you
say that
so
now, but we
much.
haven't started.
Okay, get your tools. Let's go.
What are you doing? Trying to get that door off. Dude.
You know what's behind here?
Master shower.
Master shower. Why don't we move the shower from where it is to here? So that
Okay.
buys us some extra space in
3-6.
that bathroom. I want to do an arched entryway into the shower that feels really cool and custom. And then I want to do a pattern tile in the shower that makes their bathroom feel really unique. All right, so we're taking out that window and we're gonna move the front door to where the window is. So we'll have a porch. We'll do some big shutters, we'll do window boxes, and we're gonna have posts just to make all that look pretty. And of course, we're painting the brick as well. A new porch and walkway are being poured, and that is just what this home needs to feel more welcoming and inviting. We're framing in a unique shower archway that's going to give this bathroom a custom feel. The old front door is being removed, and we're making way for the new centrally located one.
It wasn't one of my finer moments.
So I think they're young, they have friends coming over. Now we have this awesome kitchen that's gonna overflow out to the deck. Their friends are gonna end up outside. I think we make this a really cool space. I mean, we could add a bar, a grill, do some bench seating. Let's add a safe covered porch, and then we'd have space for a table, and I think it'd be fun to do some outdoor swings too. All right.
Love it, babe. I
All
love
right,
it.
it'll be
Good
great.
ideas.
It'll be great.
All right, we'll cut this thing down.
This home's curb appeal is getting better by the minute, especially now that the new roof is going on and the cedar posts are being installed. The unique arch shower in the main bathroom is getting some classic subway tile.
Today is the day we get to install that much needed drainage system in the backyard, including laying pipes all the way out to the street. And the backyard grilling station is beginning to take shape.
The finishing touches are going in the kitchen, and River's custom dog food station is a unique touch that I know Madison and Josh will love.
All right, Jenny, kick it.
Bam. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. There. How cute is that? I love it. That looks awesome. Josh and Madison are about to get married. This is their first house together. Before, it just didn't have any character. And now it is just charming and adorable. In each room, there is something unique and one of a kind.
Oh my!
Oh my God, it's
This
so
is
cute!
so cool.
That is so awesome! Oh.
This is cool.
Oh my gosh. It's amazing. More than I could have ever imagined.
Did you notice the front door moved?
That's
Yeah,
right.
it's in the middle of the house.
Yes.
There's not an awkward door right next to the garage.
The door is awesome. Wow.
Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I am in love with it. Wood floors,
Dark color?
bright, perfect color. I love it. Y'all just did amazing. Like everything is exactly how I imagined it, but better.
It's beautiful and yeah. It's,
That is the coolest thing. What? Hey, we're never watching another show. Just this. Just this picture forever.
Oh!
So cute! Oh my gosh, I love it, I love it, I love it.
This is awesome.
Oh my Lord, this is amazing. This is amazing.
This is awesome.
This is such a perfect area.
Over here, because the space was kind of awkward and there was no space to have a dining table and an island, so we just sort of combined it all so that you have the best of both worlds.
I love it.
This
I love
is
how
so
close
cool.
knit it is. You can be cooking right in the kitchen and everybody's eating, and I love it. It's awesome.
oh,
Go check out your pantry.
Oh my God.
What the? This wasn't here before.
It's huge. Look at this.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Yes. All right,
And
do you
we
want to
did
talk
not
about?
we did not forget about River.
Yes.
Is that a drawer?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. That is so
That's
cute.
awesome.
That is awesome. That is so cute. I love it.
what can't y'all do?
Oh my gosh.
This is so like us.
This is so us.
Good. Oh, I love that.
So
us.
cool.
I love the navy wall.
I like the wood on the walls.
Me too. This detail is so awesome.
Again, we didn't want to forget about River.
Yep.
So I built some full extension drawers.
That's
So
so
she can just, like,
cool.
sleep
Has her
here.
bed.
Sleep
yes.
there, and then in the morning,
can tuck away.
get rid of the dog bed.
Y'all just like hiding stuff. The TV, the
exactly.
dog
I know, we
food,
did.
the bed.
We did it a lot
It was a
here.
theme.
Oh my
Oh my!
gosh.
What?
Look at that shower. Joshua launch. Look at this wall.
Isn't that fun?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
So clean
Such a
and
bigger
modern.
counter space for us. We don't have to share that little tiny square.
Yay,
I
I'm
love,
so glad.
I love it.
Wow. I thought y'all were gonna do anything in the backyard. I can't. This is amazing.
Oh my gosh!
Look at the sign. Look at the sign. That's what my dad says. It's so sweet. Thank you. I cannot believe this is our house. This is more than I ever could have dreamed of. Everything is perfect. It's perfect.
I had this vision in my head of what it would be like, and this is like 20 times better, so.